In this video, we'll explain how to sign up for Binance and receive fee payback for those new to cryptocurrency trading. Click See More at the bottom of the video you're watching to find a link to sign up for Binance. If you sign up through this link, you'll immediately receive a 100% fee rebate $600 fee coupon. Please sign up through this link. Log into Binance through the link. You can enter either your email address or phone number. I'll use email. Enter your email address or phone number, check the box, and click Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code and create a password. You'll see a conditional statement below. Your password must be between 8 and 128 characters, containing at least one uppercase letter and at least one number. If your password meets the conditions, a green checkmark will appear on the left. After confirming the checkmark, click the Continue button below to complete your Binance registration. Make sure you signed up using the referral code shown on the screen. You must have the referral code applied to receive the benefits. Now, download the Binance app from the Play Store or App Store and log in with your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken directly to the identity verification page. In the first and second boxes, select the country you reside in. Prepare an ID to verify your identity. You can prepare an ID card, driver's license, passport, or residence permit. You can take a photo or upload one. I'll take a photo of the front and back of your ID and upload it. Next, you'll proceed with facial authentication. Turn your head around the screen to complete the process. We'll review the information on your ID and correct any errors. Once you've completed and submitted your edits, the review process will take approximately 30 minutes. Next, proceed with two-step verification. Click the icon in the upper left corner and select Profile. Click Security below. Select the Authenticator app above your email address. Clicking Enable will prompt you to verify your email address. Check the code sent to your email address and enter it. A code consisting of English letters and numbers and a QR code will be displayed. Copy the code. Now, install the Google OTP app from the Play Store or App Store and log in with your Google account. Click Add Code in the middle, select Enter a configuration key, enter a name that's easy to remember for Binance in the top field, and paste the copied code in the bottom field. You'll see a 6-digit number displayed for a limited time. Return to Binance and click Next at the bottom. Enter the 6-digit number and click the Submit button to complete the two-step verification process. This concludes our detailed guide to signing up for Binance via phone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you!